Assalamualaikum fam, hope you're doing fantastic. So, I grew up with a very weak stomach acid growing up on, not too good food, a lot of fast food, and kind of messed up my digestive system as a kid having to eat, not the best food. Now, as an adult, alhamdulillah, I have access to good food, and I want to share with you today something that helps for those who suffer with irritable bowel syndrome and they don't know much about their gut biome and how it affects their personality, their digestive system, their mood. Lots of cool research about your gut biome, and this is a funny cliche for Californians, but kombucha is really, really good. So I drink like 2 kombuchas a day, and there's all different kinds. So you got the cool stuff here on the back. It gets all the fun non-GMO organic. And then this one is Health Aid Kombucha Tropical Punch. Really, it's just awesome. Has all these living probiotics, antioxidants, cold pressed, detoxifying acid. And I gotta say, if you're having struggle going to the bathroom or you kind of feel clogged up and bloated, you should, start drinking some kombucha every day. Now, mind you, you need to have like a really good quality health store. Maybe you could also order online. They can ship it to you. You can also make your own. A lot of people make their own. You get the tea bags. And I don't know, you do something. There's some that have like less than like 0.1% alcohol. It's like the same amount of alcohol as like less than mouthwash. You cannot, if you were to drink like 5,000, you couldn't get a buzz. It's just about how it has some active cultures, but not all of them have that, okay? Some don't have that, so you can still drink kombucha and get ones that don't have it. You can't taste it. So, I know they make things about nutmeg and stuff like that, but this is about your health, kind of like how you use mouthwash has alcohol, right? Your shampoo has alcohol in it. I mean, your soaps have alcohol in them sometimes. There's just... You can't get drunk from it, and I don't know how many you'd have to drink. It'd be funny if I was to do that experiment. It'd be absolutely ridiculous. But this is another one. Doesn't have that one didn't have alcohol in it, not even like a fraction of a percent. But this is another one, right? Organic. I really like drinking this watermelon hibiscus. They have all kinds of flavors. There's so many different companies. Okay, Synergy. Some have chia seeds inside. I have chia seeds. Chia, C-H-I-A. Chia seeds. You put them in the kombucha. They get kind of squishy. So much freaking fiber. You go to the bathroom. You can put chia seeds in your smoothie, your yogurts. Helps you go to the bathroom. Right? Natural. Along with prunes and good stuff like that. And I just kind of wanted to show you that, no, this is not a paid sponsor. Don't think conspiracies. But I just kind of wanted to help you out in case you were suffering. I notice, like, when I have to travel or something around, and I don't drink one every day, it's harder. If you're having delicious pastas and rice and breads, sometimes you need a little helper to digest, and I gotta say, it helps. It helps, and if you're not going to the bathroom at least once every day or once every 2 days, you gotta work on that. Some of the most healthy people go to the poo-poo like 3 times a day, or at least once. You should make sure you're pretty regular, okay? I know it's kind of uncomfortable to talk about, but there's a lot of health benefits. There's a lot of studies. You can buy it. You can make it. It's just quite amazing. So do some cool research on it, nerd out, and try it and incorporate it into your eating habits, and I think you'll like it, right? It's pretty awesome. They have tons of flavors like mango. And if you gotta drive a little bit to go to the store to get it, I think it's really worth it. And there's plenty of free recipes online. And, there's so many different ways you can get your hands on some. And maybe if you want, grow the plants, like the herbs you need yourself, and do it that way. There's probably so many cool mason jar growing seed options for you, but consider it. I highly recommend it. these are, some of them are carbonated, some aren't, but it's an awesome way to replace soda. I have a soda once in a while, orange cream, root beer, pretty much just those ones once in a blue moon. But let's say you have a problem with soda, go ahead and replace that with some kombucha and see how your mood, really changes, because you're being more regular in the way in which you have your biome cleared out. So check it out and say I sent you. Just kidding. Don't take it to the grocery store. But have a good day.